Hello, my friends. Today, I want to share my weekend plans with you. The weekend is coming. After a long week of work, I feel a little tired, so I want to rest, but I also want to do something nice. I don't like busy weekends. I like slow weekends, weekends that help me feel happy and relaxed. On Saturday morning, I plan to sleep a little longer. Maybe I will wake up at 8:30. No alarm, just let my body rest. Then I will make a nice breakfast, maybe toast with peanut butter, maybe some fruit, like bananas or apples, and I will drink hot tea. After breakfast, I want to go to the market. I like looking at fresh fruit and vegetables. Sometimes I buy flowers too. They make my home feel warm and beautiful. In the afternoon, I will go to a small cafe. I'll sit near the window, I'll drink a coffee, and maybe read a book. Just 1 hour, just me. No phone, no work. On Saturday night, I might watch a movie, something light and fun. Maybe a comedy. I love to laugh after a long week. I will wear my soft pajamas, sit on the couch, and relax. On Sunday, I want to go for a walk, maybe in the park, maybe by the river. It depends on the weather. If it's sunny, I'll walk slowly. I'll watch the trees and the sky. I'll listen to the birds, and I'll take deep breaths. If it rains, I'll stay home. I'll make soup, and I'll listen to soft music. In the afternoon, I'll clean my room a little. Not too much, just make my space feel nice. Later, I will call my family. I love to hear their voices. Sometimes we talk for 10 minutes. Sometimes we talk longer. It makes me feel close to them. Before the weekend ends, I'll take some time to write in my notebook. Just a few words about how I feel, what I did, what I'm thankful for. Then I will get ready for bed, clean and quiet. Maybe light a candle. Maybe listen to soft music again. That's my weekend plan. It's simple, but it makes me feel good. What about you? What do you like to do on the weekend?